Good morning, my name is Boris. Welcome back to another episode of Beach Exploration. Let's stop it there for 1 second because the first stop on this boat trip was so amazing that I decided to make a separate video about it because the beach, the island I found is really similar to like Lan Ha Bay in Thailand. It has the same U-shaped bay, the sand was white, there is a huge rock wall at the back. So yeah, enough talking, let's have a look. Wow, check out this place. Seriously having Thailand vibes here. The Leonardo DiCaprio movie The Beach was shot on Koh Phi Phi, of course, and yeah, this is very similar. Of course it's smaller, the beach is a little dirty. The boatman told us that there was like a resort here. I'm gonna show you the building soon, but it is abandoned now. It is government owned and they just don't do anything with it right now. But oh my god, how come that this place is not famous? I honestly don't get it. It has like a similar U shape as the Lan Ha Bay. The water is so calm because it's protected, and well, actually the weather is really nice. So yeah, I show you the building. I hope there are no snakes. So yeah, it's the toilet. Really sad to see a place in such a bad shape. I mean, this is literally paradise. This is like newsworthy, I say. I mean, wow, nature just takes over. I hope I'm not stepping into some rusty nail or something. I mean, this is just abandoned. Imagine waking up every morning on a beach like this. Oh, there's some. Oh, should I go in? Of course. That's Jack. Alright, that's a little creepy. It's probably used by some locals as a romantic getaway. Oh, there's a huge wasp or something. Alright, I don't want to get attacked, so go from the other way. These mosquitoes are killing me. There are so many of them. This could be an awesome spot for an awesome like guest house, resort kind of place. Check this. Here are 2 bungalows directly on this awesome beach. Palm tree, huge rock wall, bungalow on the beach in front of this beautiful bay. Yeah, I could spend the whole day on this beach. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do maybe next year when the weather is gonna be nice. I mean, yeah, we are going into November now, it's gonna be cold, but yeah, the atmosphere is really nice. The buildings are a little creepy, but this is such a nice spot just to, you know, relax on the beach. And yeah, but actually gonna go now because there are many other beaches I want to check out on this trip, so we don't have much time. This is the place I really don't want to leave right now, but we have to. Look at that. This island represents the idea behind my channel very well. because I'm looking for awesome beaches, amazing hidden islands that are not very well known. And I've been to Lan Ha Bay and Ha Long Bay. I've been to northern Vietnam many times. I did an extensive research before as well, but I've never heard about this particular island before. The bungalows, they look very old, so it is not abandoned because of COVID. That was my impression. So yeah, it's such an awesome find. Just a little marketing and this place could be one of the most touristy destinations in Vietnam. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this place, this island, if you like this video, stay tuned for the coming videos because I found more amazing beaches on the same boat trip. I actually took 2 boat trips in the same area in Lan Ha Bay. So more videos are coming. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. It's a huge help for me. So right, thank you for watching till the end. Have an awesome day and see you in the next video.